everybody, it's Scott from ZTechnik by National Cycle. ZTechnik is National Cycle's exclusive line of windshield and accessories for BMW motorcycles. Today, we're going to be installing a new VStream Plus windshield on this brand new BMW F900R. This VStream Plus windshield kit includes outer and inner fork brackets, bolts to hold the brackets together, a series of bolts, rubber gaskets, and decorative nuts to hold the windshield to the bracketry. To begin the installation, you want to take these sections of rubber gasket and attach them to the inside of the inner and outer brackets for the forks. To complete the installation, you'll need a number 4 and a number 6 Allen wrench and a 10mm box wrench. Now you want to start by identifying the left and right brackets as they're supposed to go on the bike. The easiest way to identify which one's which is to look for the ZTechnik logo here. This is going to always be on the outside of the brackets facing away from the bike. To install the bracket, we have a simple tongue and groove section here. Just link them together, wrap them around the fork, and then they bolt together in the front. All right, now we're going to be starting on the rider's right side of the bike. You want to take the inner clamp, fish it around the fork tube. You want to kind of start a little bit closer to the bottom, makes it a little easier. Slide the outer bracket in, kind of start bringing them together. Kind of bring this part of the bracket in front of the hand lever, and then slide it up. Point it towards the front of the bike, and then insert the bolts. And then loosely tighten with the number 6 Allen. Do not fully tighten this bracket down right away, because it makes it a lot easier later when you have to go through for final adjustments. All right, now we're going to do the same thing on the right side of the bike. Again, slide the inner bracket in, bring it all the way down to the bottom. Push it away from the fork a little bit so you have a little extra room to play. Slide the outer bracket in, bring them together. It can be a little tricky with the rubber in there, but that's all right. Center it up. And then install the bolts. All right, now we're going to start the next part of the installation. You take these rubber grommets and sew them in each of the holes on the windshield. Now we're going to go ahead and install the windshield onto the bracketry. So you take the decorative nut, you slide in the front of the shield into the rubber gasket, and then you take your bolt, slide in the back through the bracket, into the windshield, into the nut, and then you're going to snug it up. Don't fully tighten yet, because you want to be able to keep everything loose for final adjustments. The dollar run can be a little tricky to get into, especially if you have larger hands. So I find it easiest to put the bolt through, put the nut on, and then spin it on and secure. And then repeat the process on the other side. Now with the windshield installed, you got a chance to center everything, make sure everything's well aligned. Go ahead and tighten the bolts on that windshield first with your 5mm Allen and your 10mm box wrench. Just tighten it down fully to it, and then come back around and tighten up the bolts on the bracketry. All right, your installation is complete. This simple installation takes about 15 to 20 minutes with basic hand tools. If you'd like more information on this product or the products by National Cycle or ZTechnik, visit our website, nationalcycle.com, or for ZTechnik products, visit your local BMW dealer. Thank you very much for watching, and enjoy your ride.